contribution it has made in the field of community hepatology in the state thus far has been phenomenal.
Pride and deep sense of responsibility that I welcome you all to LiverCon 08, the 8th edition of this prestigious scientific conference hosted by Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura. This platform has over the years brought together some of the finest minds working on liver health from across India and beyond. The theme of this year's conference, Liver Health for All, Empowerment of Community, is both timely and deeply relevant as we continue to strengthen our public health systems and empower our communities to take charge of their health. Let me begin by acknowledging the extraordinary journey of the Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura, which was founded on 28th July 2002. Over the last 2 decades, it has played a pivotal role in raising awareness, immunizing our people, and providing accessible treatment. Nearly 14 lakh people, which accounts for approximately 37% of our state's population, have been vaccinated against hepatitis B, a remarkable public health milestone. Our government has been unwavering in its commitment to eliminate viral hepatitis. Here are some of the key initiatives that we have undertaken. Since 2014, vaccination for hepatitis B is being administered as a part of routine immunization in the state. Services under the National Viral Hepatitis Control Program has been initiated in the state since April 2020. At present, the rapid kit-based diagnosis of hepatitis B and hepatitis C has been made available up to the sub-center level. The viral load testing of hepatitis B and C has been made available by nucleic acid amplification test at all district hospital, Vishalgarh sub-division hospital, and at Agartala Government Medical College. Treatment of hepatitis B and C is available free of cost at Agartala Government Medical College and all district hospitals and Vishalgarh sub-divisional hospital. Till now, since 2020, total 1,313 active cases of hepatitis C, that is positive on viral load, have been successfully treated under this program. In 2020, total 3,476 patients have been detected and put under lifelong treatment of hepatitis B with drugs being provided free of cost. Vaccination of high-risk group population has been started since April 2025 against hepatitis B. Vaccine supply has been received for vaccinating 6,800 health workers in the year 2025-26. Hepatitis prevention activities in Tripura government hospitals are primarily focused on hepatitis B elimination. Here are some key initiatives. Hepatitis B vaccination. The government of Tripura, in collaboration with the Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura, has implemented a comprehensive vaccination program. This includes at birth hepatitis B vaccination, administering the first dose of hepatitis B vaccine at birth to prevent mother-to-child transmission. Mass vaccination, vaccinating individuals of all age groups to reduce the burden of hepatitis B. Then targeted vaccination, focusing on high-risk groups such as tribal populations and those living in remote areas. Awareness and health education. Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura and government conduct extensive awareness program to educate the public about hepatitis B prevention, transmission and treatment. Screening and treatment. Government hospitals provide screening and treatment services for hepatitis B and C patients. HFT's liver clinic offers affordable testing, treatment and counseling services. Prevention of mother-to-child transmission. The government and HFT emphasize the importance of screening pregnant women for hepatitis B and providing necessary treatment to prevent transmission to newborns. So far community-based model is concerned, the Hepatitis Foundation of Tripura's community-based model has been instrumental in promoting hepatitis B elimination. This approach involves empowering communities through awareness development, early recognition of disease, and skill development. These initiatives have shown promising results with a significant reduction in hepatitis B prevalence in Tripura. The state's efforts serve as a model of hepatitis B elimination in other regions. We are witnessing a growing burden of non-viral liver diseases, particularly non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, driven by modern lifestyle. The key contributing factors include alcohol consumption,
ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय गानोत्सुकमनसे गुरुपूजिताय गुरुदैवताय गुरुकुलस्थायिने.
Across the country like God. Dr. Tapun Mujumdar, eminent microbiologist and a person who is Director of Health Services, Government of Tripura. Dr. Pradeep Bhumik, Professor of Medicine at the Agartala College. Delegates from across the state and far away, my dear students, countless health and community of soul and a key to understanding the future and the divine will of God through the